All right, here we are in video 2 of lesson 13, module 6, and hopefully you have your second color and you are ready to go. The length of AB is 6, 3 and 3 divided in the middle by a line of symmetry. What about if we drew CD? Or let's go ahead and draw CD, and we're using our second color. And we're drawing line segment CD using any kind of straight edge you have. And is CD symmetric, and how do you know? Hopefully you're saying yes, because it has 2 on this side and 2 on that side, and it's cut straight in the middle, and that is the definition of symmetric, right? The same on both sides. Okay, very good. And now we have some instructions. And I want you to follow the instructions, and then we'll double check it together. Okay? So here's the instructions. Plot and label point E at 4, 8. Okay, so remember 4 is your X, 8 is your Y. Plot and label point F at 4, 2. So you have point E at 4, 8, F at 4, 2. And use a straight edge to draw line segment EF. Now draw a horizontal line segment from point E to the line of symmetry, and a horizontal line segment from point F to the line of symmetry. This seems very similar to what we just did, okay? And I have written there third color, and we are supposed to be using a third color. I feel like we didn't do very much with our second color, but if you want to move ahead to a third color, that's fine. Try to keep track of which one is which. Okay, I'm going to move to my third color. We'll follow the directions. We'll see. Now, if you didn't get this finished, you might want to pause me and do that now, but I'm going to do it with you right now. So, point E at 4, 8. So, 4, 8. Let's put an E. And 4, 2, let's put an F. And now we need line segment EF. I'm just going to do it by freehand. Just follow the line. I know, I'm a rebel. Draw a horizontal line segment from point E to the line of symmetry. Okay, so horizontal line segment like that. And then a horizontal line segment from F to the line of symmetry. Okay? Is that what yours looks like? If not, you might want to erase and try it again. Okay, that's fine. Remember, you can always pause me. How many units left or right of the line of symmetry are points E and F? Just one, right? You see that? Just one. It was only one. That's why we drew the little line there, right? Show your partner where we can plot G and H so that E and G are symmetric and F and H are symmetric. When you and your partner agree about the locations of G and H, plot and label points G and H. Okay, so we want it to be symmetric, so we're going to put G here. Right, so it's 1 across, and we're going to put H here, so it's 1 across. Yeah? All right, very nice. And once again, how many units left or right of the line of symmetry are G and H? They are 1 unit to the right of the line of symmetry. Okay, very good. How can you connect points E, F, G, and H to create a symmetric polygon? Okay, a polygon is a many-sided shape. So what could we do to make a symmetric polygon? Are you thinking about this right here? Just make it into a rectangle. Yeah, and it's divided by that vertical line of symmetry, so both sides are equal. Do you notice that? Very good. Okay, is the distance between points EG equal to the distance between points FH? And what is that distance? 2, right? Okay, very good. Is the distance between E and F equal to the distance between G and H? And what is that distance? Right, this distance here, the length of your rectangle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and 6, very good. And what is the most specific name for polygon EFHG? A rectangle. All 4 angles are right angles, and it has 4 sides, and opposite sides are the same length. Okay, are you ready for your next set of directions? Okay. A new color. We're on our 4th color now. And get your new color, and here's your new directions. Okay. Plot and label point I at 10, 5. Okay, so 10 across, 5 up, 10, 5. Use a straight edge to draw line segment BI. Plot point J so that points I and J are symmetrical. Use a straight edge to draw a segment symmetric to line segment BI. Plot and label point K at 5, 10, and use a straight edge to draw angle GKE. Okay, like I said, you can either pause me and do these steps or follow along as we do them together. All right, let's give it a try. Plot and label point I at 10, 5. 10, 5, and point I. Plot, use a straight edge to draw line segment BI. Ooh, do you see line segment BI? Getting a little bit tricky. I better use a straight edge because we're going to have a diagonal line. There we go. Okay, plot point J so that points I and J are symmetrical. So here's I, and I need a J symmetrical all the way across. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from the line of symmetry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from the line of symmetry. There's our J. That's a tricky one, right? Use a straight edge to draw line segment symmetric to BI. So that's going to be AJ. Okay. Plot and label point K at 5, 10. 5, 10, K. Use a straight edge to draw GKE. Now we know that the K is going to be the middle because it's the middle of GKE. So GKE. Yeah, we better use our straight edge for that one. Doesn't have to be perfect. We're only human. It's okay. Do our best. There we go. GKE. Got our angle in there. Very good. Okay, and now we have another chart of our points. Points left of the line of symmetry and points right of the line of symmetry. Okay, so if you're looking at the line of symmetry in the middle, right? Left and right. Okay. What about point K? It's not even on our list, is it? What about point K on our line of symmetry? It is actually on the line, right? So if we plot a point symmetric to point K, it's going to be in the same location as point K because it's on the line. Isn't that interesting? Okay, and then thinking about what is the same or different in our left and rights. right? We already did A, B, C, and D. Let's look at E and G. The 8s, the Y's are the same. F, the Y's are the same. J and I, the Y's are the same. Interesting, right? Okay, and it's time for our next video. So I will see you in the next video and we'll continue working on this same project. Aloha.